What's up mga kanaisers? Today I will be answering questions that are in the comment section sa mga videos ko. Hopefully makatulong ito sa inyo, and if you have the same questions, then masasagot ko ito in this video. Let's start. Question. Good morning sir, paano kung elementary teacher po? Anong mga subject i-handle po? Salamat. If you want to apply as an elementary teacher dito sa Thailand and natanggap ka, most likely you will be teaching English. It's either conversation, reading and writing, or both. Now, there are also some circumstances when the elementary teacher has to teach health, math, science, PE, and other things. In my case, I'm an elementary teacher, but I teach arts only. I don't teach any other subjects. It also depends on your school. Sometimes you will be asked to teach multiple subjects. Sometimes you will be entrusted to teach one subject only. Sometimes you will be entrusted to teach in many different classes. Sometimes you will be entrusted only one or two or maybe just 3 classes only. There are also some cases when you need to teach elementary up to high school, but if you are applying for an elementary teaching position, then make sure that it is stated in your contract para walang miscommunication na mangyari in the future at walang trouble na makukos dahil dito. Question. Pag criminology graduate po, possible kaya makapagturo sa Thailand? The answer to that is yes. Even if you graduated criminology, kapag gusto mong magturo dito sa Thailand, you can. Just make sure that you have your documents ready, fully authenticated at apostilled na, and make sure that you graduated. Kasi if you did not, then it's going to be trouble. Hindi ka mabibigyan ng visa. Hindi ka rin pwede mag-work as a teacher kapag wala kang bachelor's degree. This is also the same for other courses. Kapag hindi ka graduate in education, as long as you have your documents ready and as long as you graduated a 4-year degree, then you are eligible to teach dito sa Thailand. Question. Pwede rin po ba mag-apply as a teacher sa Thailand ang graduate ng civil engineering course? The answer to that is yes. If you graduated a civil engineering course, then you are eligible to teach dito sa Thailand. Same with other courses. As long as you have your documents ready, apostilled and authenticated, then you are eligible to teach. Because you are an engineering graduate, mas marami kang options when it comes to teaching positions. Pwede ka maging English teacher, or pwede ka maging math teacher, or pwede both. And because you graduated engineering, pwede ka rin maging engineer dito sa Thailand. Possible po ito sa mga Filipinos and other nationalities na gusto maging engineer. Question. Paano po kung high school graduate lang po but certified online English teacher for many years? That is actually a very good question. But unfortunately, you cannot legally work in Thailand as a teacher kahit na 10 years, 20 years, 50 years experience pa yan, as long as you don't have a 4-year degree. Because a 4-year degree is a requirement before ka mabigyan ng working visa and work permit and teaching license. So, you need to work on your degree if you want to be a teacher dito sa Thailand. I recommend na mag-aral ka or continue your studies if you are currently studying. And of course, process your documents, apostille, authentication, lahat ng pwede mong gawin if you really want to pursue teaching dito sa Thailand. I don't recommend you teaching here, especially if hindi mo na-comply lahat ng requirements to teach. That's it mga kanaisers. I hope na nakatulong ako sa pag-clear ng mga doubts ninyo and pag-answer ng mga questions ninyo. If you have more questions, comment down below in this video and I will do my best to answer it to the best of my ability in a very simple and straightforward way. See you guys next time. Peace.